Welcome to our video about the collaboration between DeepSeek and FreeCodeCamp. This partnership has the potential to revolutionize how we learn to code. In this video, we'll explore how DeepSeek's AI technology is enhancing the FreeCodeCamp platform and what this means for aspiring developers and the general public. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is FreeCodeCamp? FreeCodeCamp is one of the most popular platforms for free coding education. With thousands of tutorials, challenges, and projects, FreeCodeCamp helps millions of people worldwide learn skills in web development, data science, and more. The platform is known for its hands-on approach and dedicated community. Part 2. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is an advanced AI platform specializing in data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing. With user-friendly tools and scalable solutions, DeepSeek makes AI accessible to businesses and individuals alike. But how can DeepSeek support FreeCodeCamp and its users? Part 3. How DeepSeek enhances FreeCodeCamp. The integration of DeepSeek into FreeCodeCamp brings numerous benefits for learners. 1. Personalized learning paths. DeepSeek's AI analyzes user progress and suggests personalized learning paths. 1. This ensures that everyone gets the content they need to learn efficiently. 2. Real-time feedback. With DeepSeek, users can receive real-time feedback on their code. 2. The AI identifies errors, provides improvement suggestions, and explains concepts in an easy-to-understand way. 3. Smart challenges. DeepSeek can create customized coding challenges based on user skills and goals. 3. This makes learning more challenging and effective. 4. Community support. DeepSeek can also strengthen the FreeCodeCamp community by moderating discussions, answering questions, and recommending resources. Part 4. Benefits for the general public. The collaboration between DeepSeek and FreeCodeCamp doesn't just benefit developers, it also has positive impacts on society. 1. Access to education. By improving FreeCodeCamp, high-quality coding education becomes even more accessible, and it's free. 2. Career opportunities. With better learning tools, more people can acquire coding skills and improve their career prospects. 3. Driving innovation. By giving more people access to programming knowledge, the development of new technologies and solutions is encouraged. Part 5. The future of DeepSeek and FreeCodeCamp. The partnership between DeepSeek and FreeCodeCamp is just the beginning. In the future, we can expect even more innovative features, such as AI-powered mentors, virtual assistants that guide learners through courses and provide personalized support. Gamification, game-like elements that make learning more fun and motivating. Global reach. DeepSeek could help make FreeCodeCamp available in more languages, reaching even more people worldwide. Conclusion and call to action. The collaboration between DeepSeek and FreeCodeCamp is a big step forward for coding education. With AI-powered tools, learning becomes more efficient, personalized, and accessible to everyone. What do you think about this partnership? Do you see potential for AI in education? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest developments in technology and education. Thanks for watching, and until next time.